If you keep forgetting Turkish words, it's not your memory. You're just learning them the wrong way. Yeah, I have been gone for a while, but I didn't come back to post random 100 phrases videos. I came back to actually help you remember Turkish and other languages. So, the real problem. You learn a word today, tomorrow, gone. Why? Because your brain doesn't store words. It stores meaning, emotion, and usage. If you just memorize kitap, book, gitmek, to go, your brain says, cool, useless information, deletes it. So, mistake number one, you learn words alone. You're learning words like this: ev, house, araba, car. But your brain doesn't use words alone. It uses sentences. Instead, learn like this. Bu benim evim. This is my house. Arabam çok hızlı. My car is very fast. Now, your brain has context that sticks. Mistake number two. You don't see the word again. You learn a word once and never meet it again. That's why you forget. Your brain needs repetition in different situations. Example with gitmek, to go. Okula gidiyorum. I'm going to school. Now here, the gitmek is used in a sentence. Eve gidiyorum. I'm going home. Nereye gidiyorsun? Where are you going? Same word, different life situations. Now your brain says, this matters. Mistake number three. You are passive. Watching videos, easy. Remembering, hard. If you don't use the word, you lose it. If you learn a word, say it out loud 3 times. Then make your own sentence. Example, the word yemek, food. You say, yemek yiyorum. Yemek yiyorum. I am eating. Now it becomes yours. What actually works? Do these things instead. Learn fewer words. Use them in sentences. Repeat them in different situations. Say them out loud. That's it. No magic. It's your hard work. From now on, this channel is different. No more random lists. No more wasting your time. I'll show you how to actually think in Turkish, also in other languages. So if you are serious about learning, I'm gonna see you in the next video.